Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. Today I got a special how-to video for you guys. Sony PlayStation just announced today, April 10th, 2019, that you can change your online ID. Yes, you can change your online ID for the first time. We've been asking for this for about 15 years, and finally they did it. But before you go ahead and do so, there are some issues with some games. So I'm going to list those games right now and let you know. Now there are games like Everybody's Golf, Just Dance 2017, Little Big Planet 3, MLB 2014, MLB The Show, MLB The Show 2015, Onrush, Golf Club 2, and Worms. I don't know who plays Worms, but who cares. Now those have critical issues. You should probably not switch your online ID. Now there's a couple other games that have limited issues. I'm not going to name all those. You can go ahead and go to PlayStation.com and check those out. But there's some games like Killzone, Grand Theft Auto, Dark Souls, I think it was Grand Theft Auto 5, I'm sorry, God Eater 2. Some of those have limited issues or just issues that were identified, like Bloodborne, Call of Duty Ghost. You better not be playing Call of Duty Ghost anymore. Big City Stories, Assassin's Creed, Absolver, and so on. But the vast majority of all the games actually work perfectly fine. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that now. So get your controllers ready and go ahead and go on to Settings. Then you're going to want to go to Account Management and then Account Information. Wait for it to load. Go ahead and go down to Profile. And then you want to go down to Change Your Online ID. Go ahead and accept. Hit Continue. And I'm going to blank this part out because I don't want you freaking hackers knowing my password. Okay, now that I entered my password, here's the screen where you can go ahead and change your online ID. You can see my name is B Powder. I've been playing since 11/17/2006. Yeah, I'm old. Don't make fun of me. Okay, now the cool thing is when you change your ID, you can actually go back to your old ID. It'll never go away, so you can change your name 2-3 times and always go back to your old ID. So that's pretty cool. Now the first one is free, but after that they're going to charge you $9.99. So yeah, unless you got bank, you probably just want to change it one time. So this is a really cool thing, you guys. I'm not going to go any farther, but this shows you how to do it. This is really cool. Thank you, PlayStation. But if you're on any of those games that, like I said, have critical issues, stay off of it for now. But those games look pretty old anyways, so who cares? All you Fortnite players, you're good to go. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like and subscribe, damn it. Bye.